Yeah, I have nothing to say, but ngifisela mfethu okuhle. That's all. Yeah, that's all. Yeah.
Sisibende yaphaphaza. Aliyash. Nawe right mfethu. Mina nje ngiyabonga ukuthi sambile lejini le mina
For sure.
hlonipha sasebenzisana safundana izinto sakha ama-memories and everything. Yabona leso sikhathi sakho ngibesini nami ngikufisela inhlanhla kini. Kodwa futhi mhlampe ngingakufisela inhlanhla mhlampe ngithi kube right la uyakhona. I think kumele ngivele ngisho nje ukuthi kube right la ukhona. Kube yini ibe right. Because uma ngithi kube right la uyakhona, I think angiyibeki ngale ndlela le. Yabo, kube right la ukhona.
Oh. Oh, really? Really? Ngempela mfethu.
Isakudinga dai. Isakudinga.
Way. But I know it's fine. Thank you. Like, honestly, I feel like,
Don't you have Peters?
mfethu sisilonde mfethu. Oh yeah, it's cool. But all I'm trying to say is, I didn't want us to be labo bantu mfethu, yabo. So look, with my sister and then we hate each other and all that. I really enjoy what we did as far as Romeo and Juliet went. I don't want to be emotional man and call me about us and memories we've built. Understand? I don't want to go to that space right now. Understand? But in terms I'm wishing for to like I wouldn't like for us to be labo band because I want us if possible in case we are able to be in one space, perform for people. That's what people want.
Do you think it's a
Huh? I really wish that could happen. Mina personally, ngiyafisa mfethu ukuthi lokho kungayenzeka. Understand? So yeah. Yeah, mfethu everyone. I feel like we KCM now. We can both feel like omunye uronge omunye ngandlela thizeni, which me I'm not willing to speak about. My point is
so much time. This is long. Amazi slowly.
Abezinhlungu sithando sami. Angizwisa zona. Engizwisa zona. Zikwenza ukuthi hlukana nawe yilawo maphutha sithando.
Just slowly, guys. Hey, many of us don't do the man for Aish. My cousin. Mfethu ngikhalile kakhulu mfana. Manje ngivele ngadedela inhliziyo. Ngabe ngihambela amanga amawele mangasuthi angitshengisanga ukuthi ngikuthanda ngingakanani. I want to take it down. I just found it nice. Ay, man. Sinoba bonke lindo but lindo labelunguzo. Hawu. Uyabheda mina sisifundi. Awe mama, Yabo indlela engihlala ngayo.
Don't Lindo akekho.
Sisilonde nangimali ekhuluma nawe. Bale bafethu yazi ngani yabo engathi kuyahleka ngempela. Khanje sengingadida ukuthi kuyahlekwa shame. Phela khona ezinye izinto vele yabo. Manje siyaqala sibuye njengomdlalo. Yabo. Mase zenzeka ngempela. Yabo. Mina ngiyakholelwa kuleyo nto leyo. Ngizobona ukuthi bengadlali.
But anyways, all I'm saying mfethu ukuthi ngicela mfethu sibe abantu abakwazi ukuphilisana, sibe right and be able to perform together. Because at the end of the day mfethu vele ukhokhomelon, uhlala ukhokhomelon, right? Yeah. South Africa mo ukhokhomelon. Yeah. And then about to Cocomelon stubborn. Like I've never watched Lauma Popeye, but then I heard Utsi little Popeye li corrupt, li stubborn. But then anyways, I'm joking a lot. But investing I feel something I was 7 signs be right and perform together will be right. So yeah. Yeah. It's opening, yeah, I know. I feel like we can discuss it masses to mhlambo zonganiblock bese sikhulume ngakho.
No, but it's Chateau Branco. Yeah, this is slow. Nabeti Chateau Branco.
Who's that?
Comment. What is Chateau Branco? These guys. Isn't there one window?
Yeah.
Variety.
Hey guys, I think that's what it is. I'm gonna
As long as you do it.
know that I'm so ish. It's unfortunate.
If you remote.
So
As long as you fix it.
for social funding, no.
Eh? I will connect a phone. Some yena futhi umelele.
Are we pausing? I'm not.
Mhlawumbe yena imali sizoba free manje post intombi yakhe. Ngiphoze nanti sisilonda. Sisilonda siqala phansi ethu. Mhlawumbe uzokwazi ukuposta enye intombi yakhe nena. Mhlawumbe nizothola usizo omusha. Sakho.
I know, no. It's fine. Akunankinga ke mina mfethu lo bengifuna ukusho ngikushilo. Angazi noma ukuzwile na, but then it's fine. Ube right, ube nobusuku obuhle. I'll see you soon. I know. Sometime they're gonna book us together and then we're gonna be there and then yeah. Ube right. Yeah. Yeah, ube right.
Okay,
Peace.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umkososo Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. This is a video where Umawelele damned Unaledi on a live, and people are saying ukuthi umfana udlalile nganaledi, he used Unaledi for ukuthi adoma to ebantu, then after that wabdecide kumlaqada Unaledi. So people are saying ukuthi cha vele Umawelele was using Unaledi nje, ayikho nje le ukuthi angazamdampe go live. So girl shame go ya departure because solokwenda ama video laphana alawa bhekise kumawelele, and people are saying ukuthi ish girl man, you are really going through a lot, but I kutolunga. Oh, please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.